Hi everyone, how are you? Today I talk about what is Shopify and what does it work. Are you interested in starting your own business online? You may want to consider using Shopify as your e-commerce platform. Shopify is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to set up your online store. If your answer is yes, you are agree with me, then you probably come to Shopify world. But if your answer is no, you are not agree with me, no problems. Please keep watching the video, then you can take your decision again. Actually, what is Shopify? Shopify is a platform that lets you create a custom e-commerce website. It's popular for its easy to use platform and support for a wide range of merchants. Shopify also offers a variety of features to make your business run more smoothly. You will need to choose a template and then customize it to fit your business. You can add products, manage your inventory, and set up shopping, including accounting, marketing, and other management. Shopify features. Among the many Shopify features, now I will discuss some main features. Many kinds of professional theme. Shopify have different kinds of professional themes that can be used in your store. You can choose more themes from the Envato marketplace ThemeForest. 70 plus payment gateway. Shopify offers 70 plus payment method. You can use all kinds of payment methods. It is very good for your business. SEO and social media integration. You know that search engine optimization, SEO, and social media integration are the most important for a successful online marketing campaign. That's why Shopify always follow the best SEO practices. Event management. Shopify has a great event management system that allows you to easily create and manage events. You can create different types of events such as workshops, meetups, and conference. Store Manager mobile app. Shopify has Store Manager mobile app which is designed to help store owners manage their business from their smartphones. Dedicated server. Shopify have dedicated server, and it is very smooth and it is very easier to it is make very easy make very smooth their website. Free SSL. Shopify provide a free SSL certificate for all business stores. This provides a layer of security for your customers' personal information and ensure that their transactions are secure. Shopify also offers a variety of other security features to help protect your business and its data. Easy setup. It is most wanted thing, and that's why Shopify is popular for that, because it is very easy to set up, including customization, checkout. It offers a wide range of features including customizable checkout, its shopping option, and text setting. You can also use Shopify easy setup to create a online store. 24/7 support. Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platform in the world. It is known for this user-friendly interface, and they have a dedicated and smart responsive support team. Third party app, they are also allow third party apps, and it is smooth their business. Pricing, Shopify have three kinds of pricing, and this pricing name is basic, 29th USD per month, Shopify 79 USD per month, and advance 299 USD per month. And when you are a beginner, you can use the basic, and then after some month you can use the second package. Its price is 29. And when you are a big Shopify store owner, you can use the advanced package, and you can visit here, and you can show these features, and what you need. You can choose the feature, choose the plan, and start your business with Shopify. And if you want any help, you can talk with me, message with me. I will help you. I am a professional Shopify dropshipping expert and virtual assistant.